Little girl, you've no idea what you've got yourself into. Fly for a night and think the world's made for you. Well, I tried too hard to see all of my work come undone. Better grow some wings real fast. I see the way they look at you with tears in their eyes. Soon they'll start to dream up different lives. Well, I won't let you tempt them. They have mine to protect. No use reminding them of the past. You don't seem to quite understand what is at stake. This messed up little family that I had to make. If I could let them all go home, please know that I would. But it'd do more harm than good. So why don't you fall? Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. Why don't you fall? Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. Swear it's nothing personal, it's a necessary evil. Why don't you fall? Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. Some would say I'm quick to rage, and maybe they're right. But I can say for once I'm thinking clearly tonight. Wendy, darling, you have hit the wrong girl to fight. I will protect what is mine. A nasty little spark that must be smothered, snuffed out. Setting fires inside my house is just not allowed. If ended air and embers is what I must do, then darling, I'll be coming for you. So why don't you fall? Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. Why don't you fall? Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. Swear it's nothing personal, it's a